to day 32 of Strong and 75. If you have not watched days 1 through 31, please go back and watch them. You have missed so much. Like, we went through so much already. We already talked about actually doing disputes, talked about how to deal with collections, how to deal with late payments, and now we're talking about utilization. So for day 32, you all, we're talking about the 15 of the month strategy. Now, some people have their bills due on the 15th. So when I talk about this strategy, it's basically about you guys just paying an extra payment on your credit card. So figure out when your credit card is going to be due, and halfway through it, or 2 weeks after your due date, just think, hey, I'm going to make an extra payment on my credit card. If you just think of it that way, this is going to help with your utilization, because you're lowering your utilization. So you're going to have 2 additional payments. So you're going to lower your utilization. On top of lowering your utilization, you also lowering the debt. So if you actually do have a lot of debt on your credit cards, you actually have 2 payments coming in. So you have your minimum payment plus you got additional payment. You could just pay whatever your minimum payment is twice too. Okay. So some people, I always tell you guys, put on auto pay for the minimum payment. Some people will just make sure that their minimum payment come through, and then they'll just pay another one on their due date. They'll just pay it twice. So whatever you guys would like to come up with is basically just make sure that you guys are paying 2 payments. That's all it really is. Don't overthink this 15 of the month day strategy. It's just a way to try to get you guys to make 2 payments on your credit cards, because it's going to pay off your debt, plus it's going to lower utilization. So inside of here, you'll see that it's going to lower your utilization. And on top of that, your debt is going to be down. So you want to identify these things. You want to identify your statement closing date too, because that's going to be important. But with the statement closing date, that whatever your balance is on that day, it's usually like 3 days, maybe 5 days after your due date. Whatever your balance is on that day, that's what they're reporting to the credit bureaus. So if you guys want to do the due date, and then maybe if you guys get paid a few days after your due date, you want to make additional payment, that can work too. Okay, because at least you guys will have the balance lower when they report it to the credit bureaus. It's all about having that utilization together. Okay, so that's what the 15 of the month strategy is all about. If you guys have not gotten your 3-book bundle, please make sure you guys get your 3-book bundle. I'll make sure I have it linked down below. You guys also have the option of the 6 month of letters. Definitely make sure you guys do that if you have not already. But do not overthink today. Like, I didn't want to make it long at all. I want y'all to know it's just making sure you make an extra payment on your card. And I don't want people to think, let me hurry up and pay about a statement date. Let me do, I don't like that. I'd rather y'all just hurry up and pay about a due date, because if whatever y'all paying by that due date, that's going to be very, very important. So I'd rather y'all just start aiming for that due date instead of the statement date. The statement date can be important in terms of, say if your credit card bill is due on Thursday, right? Is due on Thursday, but you actually get paid the next day on Friday, and you think that it's over. Like, dang, I didn't pay about a due date. There's nothing else I can do. It is something else you could do, because they're not going to report your balance until about 3 to 5 days after your due date. So you still have time to actually pay more on that credit card to bring that balance down, and it's going to help with your utilization. Okay, so that is something you guys need to know about. But again, I want to kind of teach really healthy habits, stuff that I love to even pick up for myself too. Like, okay, I'm not doing this no more. Like, I already know I got caught doing this before. I'm not doing this no more. I want to make sure I'm paying a statement balance by the due date. And then 2, if I can do even more by just making sure it's paid off, that's even better. Okay, so I just wanted to let you guys know about the 15 of the month strategy. I'll see you all for the next day.